Automated manufacturing is seeking a highly efficient and precise employee to join our advanced manufacturing team. The ideal candidate will be responsible for CNC machine tending, ensuring seamless automation and optimizing production efficiency. Responsibilities include load and unload parts from CNC machines with precision and consistency. Utilize custom interfaces to communicate with CNC machines and adjust operations as needed. Operate within a pallet system to manage multiple workpieces efficiently. Monitor machining cycles and respond to completion signals for part transfers. Ensure proper part orientation and placement to maintain machining accuracy. Handle various materials without causing surface damage or defects. Detect and respond to process errors by signaling for human intervention when necessary. Preferred qualifications: proven experience in machine tending, material handling, and automation. Seamless integration with CNC controls, robotic interfaces, and pallet changers. Ability to operate 24 hours a day without breaks or exceptions. No is not command response in your library. Benefits: comprehensive medical package. No vacation, holiday, or sick pay. No pay at all. How to apply. If you are a high-performance robotic arm ready to take on the challenge, please submit your specifications, cycle time data, and integration capabilities to sales@automatedmfg.com or visit automatedmfg.com for more details.